if you stuck around for the whole video, there may be a new project. Alright, welcome back everybody to my channel. So, I know it's been a little bit. I gave y'all an update like a little bit ago. I'm doing much better. I can actually use my right arm now. See, woohoo, I'm holding the camera with it. Feeling a lot better. Actually been able to get out in the garage a little bit, which is awesome and it feels so good. So, a few things to share with y'all. Something pretty cool. I found a hood, 1966 hood. OEM, real deal. Found the factory hood off of a silver. I'm assuming it was not silver, but I found it off of OfferUp or Marketplace or something like that. I bought it for 120 bucks. Can't beat it. It literally only has a few little tiny dings and dents in it, which I can easily get out. Also, it's got all the holes drilled in here, which mine did not. Don't know why. I guess someone filled them or something. But yeah, taking the hardware off of mine and cleaned it up, as you can see, and painted it black. So that way it's nice and incognito and rust proof for the most part now. And I'm gonna hook that up and then get the hood on. I also ended up grabbing a little weather strip here, which was like $8 or whatever from CJ Pony, and put that on. So we should be able to close the hood and should get a nice seal. Then after that, I'm going to put on the leaf springs. I got them right there. Oh, also got my exhaust in. So got a whole exhaust system from CJ Pony. Got the MagnaFlow. Yeah, so that's exciting. Got the dual mufflers. But all in all, we're getting super close. So close. Almost ready to start the bodywork. So once that's done, then we can start cracking on the bodywork. And I'm just gonna epoxy everything. And then I'm gonna, then start working with the filler and whatnot. But I'm gonna try and get all the dents out as much as possible. I got a stud welder, that I've used on other dent repair for like motorcycle stuff. So I'm gonna use it here and try and pull some of this out. Obviously someone already tried to do that in the past. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try and salvage it. Once again, it's not gonna be a show car. I just am ready to get this thing on the road and it not look like poop. So yeah, anyways, let's jump into it and get this hood on. People weren't lying when they were talking about how hard it was to get off the leaf springs to just cut the bolts off. And I've been doing that, and it is like, I got the back off, but I had to put it back up because I couldn't get under here with where my jack stand is. And it's not like I can lower it back down because good times, don't have tires on. So I have this up as like a secondary holder, but it's not quite on the frame rail. So yeah, as you can see, I'm trying to get this one off. I've got the bolt cut off on this side, but trying to get it on this side. So that way this would drop right out, and then I can just pop the bolt from the other end of the frame rail, and then I can just drop this piece out. So it is like, it's a little tougher than I thought it'd be. And then the funny thing is, after taking everything out, I was convinced that my rubber bushings were just like shot. I even posted pictures online, like forums and stuff, and I was like, oh, I need some help. My rubber bushings look like they're in really bad shape. You know, what should I do? And everybody was like, oh, they look terrible. You got to replace them. Yeah, they're original, but geez, I was very surprised. Look at the shape of this rubber. It is in like really good shape. It's still pretty squishy. It's not dry rotted at all, only on the end right here, which is crazy. That's it, and that's all you could see, obviously, because this had the washer over it and then the bolt through it. KYB XLG shocks for all around. We already put the front in, and now I'm gonna install the back. I just took the other old ones out. I gotta pop them out and then pop these new guys in. Let's do it. All right, so basically having trouble with this left side leaf spring. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a pin that's in there and there's a crack. Don't want to put my hand underneath it because it's under a lot of pressure, but there's a pin and it's supposed to slide up into the axle, and I put that piece on very loosely. The bolt is in the front of the leaf spring, and then I'm using my jack to get it up there, but it's not attached. So what I think I need to do, because I can't really pull the axle because the other leaf spring's on, is I think I need to relieve pressure from the other leaf spring. Then I'm gonna be able to like shimmy the axle a little bit and lock it into the new leaf spring, then bolt everything up, because I've had the other leaf spring still attached. So I think that should help. So I'm gonna do that. We'll see. I don't know if you could actually truly see it on camera, but the gear oil that was in my rear differential was like molasses. Look at how thick that is. It is like gross. I don't even know how else to describe it. It smells terrible. It isn't really just, I highly doubt it's ever even been changed. So, I mean, it is like thick goop. Look at how thick that is. That's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, we're gonna put new oil in there. I'm just trying to drain out the old oil out of the pump situation. Then we're gonna throw in some Valvoline high performance. Yeah. So we're gonna put that in and pump it back up the same way we pump this stuff out. It's gross. If you stuck around for the whole video, there may be a new project. So, just saying, that's coming soon. Not quite yet though. So hang in there for that one because it's really gonna be a fun one. This is almost done. I just gotta do like bodywork and paint, and then I'm ready to just get it on the road and drive it and enjoy it. All in all, thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate the support. Go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Remember to also set your bell notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. I got a lot more content coming now that I'm feeling better, so woo, get ready. All right, thanks for tuning in. I'll see y'all. Bye.